Yo, what's up, everyone? Let's talk about something that's been on a lot of people's minds. Can you actually buy a gift card with Cash App? I mean, it's 2023, right? Everything's digital, so it should be a no-brainer, but let's break it down. Imagine this, it's your best friend's birthday, and you want to gift them something they'll actually use. You think, gift card, perfect. Then you remember you've got some extra cash in your Cash App. So, you wonder, can I just buy a gift card straight from here? Well, buckle up, because we're about to find out. First things first, let's talk about what Cash App actually is. For those of you living under a rock, it's a mobile payment service that lets you send and receive money with friends, family, and even businesses. You can also use it to deposit checks, invest in stocks, and even buy and sell Bitcoin. But can it handle gift cards? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty. Cash App does have a feature that allows you to send gift cards to other people. So, you can technically send someone a gift card using your Cash App balance. But here's the catch, you can't buy a physical gift card to keep for yourself. It's a digital-only process. So, if you're looking for that classic gift card experience, unboxing and all, Cash App ain't your guy. But if you're cool with sending a digital gift card directly to someone's phone, then you're in luck. Now, let's talk about the process. It's pretty straightforward. You open your Cash App, tap on the $sign at the bottom, then select the gift card option. From there, you choose the store or brand you want to send a gift card to, select the amount, and voila! The gift card is on its way. But wait, there's more. Cash App often has deals and promotions on gift cards, so you might be able to snag a discount on that perfect gift. Keep an eye out for those. So, to recap, you can't buy a physical gift card for yourself using Cash App, but you can definitely send digital gift cards to your friends and family. It's quick, easy, and often comes with perks. But hey, maybe there's a loophole we haven't discovered yet. If you found a way to buy a physical gift card with Cash App, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those digital dollars flowing.